Hey YouTube, I'm in my room and all that fun stuff, so sorry if I'm making noises. I have to set up a place to open my packs. Now I went to go get some things from Walmart and I decided to I found some packs that I got. Now this one I already opened because, well, yeah, I kind of got bored. And now I'll show you what I opened in that one. Hopefully I get something good. Run away, battery. Go away, battery. Polyway. Execute. Riolu. Shinx. Sorry about the lighting too. Meow. Piloswine. Piloswine. I call it Piloswine. Fox Training. Whatever. Yeah. Mightyena. Reverses Unknown Y, which is pretty shiny. And my rare is a Groudon. So, awesomeness. Not bad pulls. Let's go with the next Diamond and Pearl Legends Awakened, which is Luxray on the back front. So, hopefully I get something that has to do with Luxray. Open. Open sesame. There. I swear the Diamond and Pearl were easier to open than it first began. But I do this. Yeah, that will have to do for now. Poliwhirl. Yanma. Baneri. I love the artwork. Riolu. Beldum. Metang. Castform Sunny Form. Tauros. Reverses Yanmega. And my rare is a Delcatty. I love the reverse. So pretty. Now I'll be moving on to Platinum Rising Rivals, and I'm going to cite Scizor over Leafeon because Leafeon's my favorite. I'm saving my favorite for last, so that one I completely destroyed. Starting this off, Celio, Gliscor, something or other that's, I don't know, SP. Okay, I didn't see the SP over there. Kecleon, Shallows, Westby, Kakuna, Metal Energy, I love the artwork. The Upper Energy, Sunny Shore City Gym, reverses SP Energy, and my rare is a Beedrill. So I'm getting pretty good things right now. Now here comes the Leafeon Platinum Rising Rivals. Oh wow, that one was simple to open. Wow. It's falling apart. No wonder they had them separated. And my cat's by me, so if you hear meowing, you'll know why. Fortress Galactic. Trapinch. Munchlax. Turtwig. SP, I think. I don't know what this is, but it's awesome. Celio. Bertha's Warm. Aww. SP Energy. Rapidash. Awesome. Flint. I love it. It looks so epic. My reverse is a Volrin, and my rare is a Snorlax. So I got the evolution line of the Snorlaxes. Snorlax Munchlax line. Now for my final pack of this opening, Heart Gold Soul Silver. Hopefully I get some good pulls like last time. Don't let me down, Don fan. Cyndaquil, Chikorita, Chansey, Hoppip, Stampy, Croconaw, Corsola, Switch. Reverse is a Chansey, and my rare is a Lapras. So, again, I got pretty good pulls, and, well, next time I get my money, now that I got a job, I'll get more. So, see you later.